everyone, good morning, Merry Christmas. It's currently December 25th. I leave in 5 days for semester at sea. I will be on the spring 2022 voyage of semester at sea. Literally crazy. So I want to start my official packing vlog, which is actually insane because I've been waiting to film this for years. I applied for this voyage 2 years ago in January of 2020. So it'll be 2 years when I get on the boat. Actually crazy. A little bit stressed because a lot of the places that we're going to are cold. So it's a lot harder to pack light for cold places because all of the clothing is heavy. Rather than if we were going to all these sunny places, it'd be a lot easier to pack because like tank tops are so much lighter and easier to pack than like big heavy jackets. So far, let me show you what we have. I also want to preface this by saying every single thing that I bought online and I'm talking in this video will be linked down below for you to purchase by yourself or whatever. Yeah. I have 2 big LL Bean duffel bags, and in this one so far I've done a whole snack, like side of snacks. Basically this is all like toiletries and random other things like medicine, gum, a ton of snacks, Ziploc bags, contacts, extra toothbrushes, my Jennifer Aniston perfume, vitamins, like just everything that I could possibly need. It is still very far from being absolutely filled, which is why we still have a lot to put in there. But I've yet to start my clothing packing. I've pulled aside things I know I want to bring and need to bring, but I haven't put anything in a clothing duffel bag. So that's what we're going to start to do today. Since I leave 5 days from today, it's a little bit important to start doing that and kind of figure out what we need to do. This bag is already overweight. Yeah, I think we're going to move on to the clothing items now because that seems important to have clothes. My room is very messy right now. I hope for obvious reasons, just because I'm like unpacking from college but then repacking for this trip. So there's a lot going on. But I just dug out my packing cubes. I might need to order another set because like barely any winter clothes are going to be able to fit in these. But I think it makes more sense to pack in packing cubes. So maybe I'll at least try and start and see what we end up doing. But I might need to go buy more or order some more on Amazon.
Cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams.
I thought a gazillion different granola bars, and so I'm gonna put them all into this bag. They might not fit, I might have to grab 2, but I am taking an 8 a.m. class, or 8:30 on the boat, and I know I'm not gonna wake up early enough to go get breakfast beforehand, so granola bars are gonna become my best friend. So yeah.
Was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade.
Okay, we have the 2 bags of granola bars. I can imagine these probably won't last long, but I'll try my hardest. So, these are going right in the snack bag. I can only imagine how much this bag already weighs, and it is nowhere near full. So, we're now at T minus less than 48 hours before I leave, and guys, no progress has been made. So that needs to happen. I'm just gonna set up a time lapse, I think, of me continuing to pack.
Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, gets there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
Okay, I think I pretty much have everything laid out of like things for sure that I'm bringing, like some random hair tinsel that was just sitting on the top of my stuff. I'm pretty sure this is pretty much everything. Everything else that I decide to add will just be added last minute, but I'm gonna go through the packing cubes and kind of show you what I have. This one is all t-shirts. I currently have 5 in there, but if I have room I might add a couple more because I live in t-shirts. This is all like nicer shirts and bodysuits for like wearing in country rather than like on the boat, but I did bring a lot. This is the biggest packing cube, just because obviously those are the kind of things I'm going to be wearing the most often. This is bathing suits, bras and underwear. These are jackets that I'm going to put on top afterwards, and then I don't have another packing cube for these, but these are all just skirts and a pair of jeans. These are all shorts, and then yeah, actually these are all shorts and like leggings, which again I brought quite a few of these. There's also a pair of sweatpants. These are just all things I live in, and I know I'm gonna be basically in classes all day on the boat, and I want to be in stuff that is comfy. In here I have like tank tops, different workout shirts that I don't work out in but I go to class in, and like lighter t-shirts that didn't fit in this. This is kind of a lot of bodysuits, to be honest. In this one I have bigger sweaters. This is another big packing cube. These are all sweaters. It's gonna be cold, or it's supposed to be cold in a lot of the countries that we're going to, so I think I have 5 or 6 sweaters in here. I know I'm a heavy packer, but I kind of just knew from the beginning that you weren't going to be able to stop me from bringing certain things. Everything else that I'm fitting in there will be like toiletries. I do have a lot of my toiletries already packed in a bag, but everything else will be like jewelry, which I will show me packing my jewelry bag, shoes, bags, all of these makeup remover wipes, just things like that. I'm getting shampoo and conditioner and body wash in Italy once we land there, just because I don't want to have to worry about bringing it on the plane with the weight of it.
We arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, gets there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
Hi everyone, I think packing is officially complete, so I wanted to show you what we're working with. I know I kind of already gave you a little overview of what's going down, but yeah, the suitcases have yet to be closed yet because I'm gonna need help closing them. I just wanted to kind of show you what's going down, but I'm not gonna take everything out because it took a lot of work to get all this stuff in. One suitcase I have, like, this is my big coat because it's gonna be cold in a lot of places that we're going to, and then these are just packing cubes, random things that fit in that, but were too heavy to fit in that to make it like less overweight. I vacuum sealed this so that it took all the air out of that big coat. I'm gonna try and put this blanket somewhere, but it might not fit, which is okay if I can't bring it, but also if anything I can put it in my parents' suitcase. And then this is mostly toiletries and like hair products and just random things I need. There are a few packing tubes in here, just things that didn't fit, like a little mini backpack, my hair straightener, an extra sweatshirt that I had room for, stuff like that. And then this is my backpack that I'm bringing on the plane. This has like all my travel documents and stuff, and then masks, chargers, you know, all the essentials that I need with me on the plane. And then this is my personal item that it will be another carry-on the plane, but it's this great travel backpack. I have like foreign currencies in these front pockets, extra jeans. I vacuum sealed my jeans and sweatshirts in here so that they can be less. Toe warmers. This is like a lot of tech stuff. We have like memory cards and stuff, and then more medicine and deodorant. What is this? Like, yeah, just random medicine in there. A curling iron, some makeup wipes, some travel adapters, just kind of everything else that didn't fit in these two bags. With that being said, I'm officially done packing for semester at sea. Now the hardest part is going to be closing all of these things. But it's gonna happen. I know it's gonna happen. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved it. I'm so excited for the vlogs to come and to just share what's going on in my life for the next few months. It's gonna be so much fun, and I'm so excited for you guys to watch and hopefully stick around. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.